Everyone has that day that you definitely be out of choice on what to cook. Yeah, and today was that day for me. Like I woke up in the morning after breakfast and I was trying to do one or two things in the house. I was just busy thinking, what am I going to prepare for lunch? What are we going to eat for lunch? And that thought of thinking of what to cook is always very stressful for me. Like I hate it. I don't know. I think I'm just going to try and look for and have a planner or a timetable for meals so that it will save me the stress because this stress is a lot. It's a lot when you think of what to cook. So that's it for me. I decided to now cook beans. Decided to make rice and beans concoction rice because I had that at home. I had beans at home and rice, so I just decided to make do with what I have. I went ahead, me wanting to start to cook. My son started crying, "Mommy, yum yum, yum yum." That's what he usually says whenever he's hungry and wants to eat. I said, okay, let me go feed him first. I fed him, gave him food, he drank his water, and he was okay. So I decided to go ahead with my cooking. I'd already parboiled my rice and washed it, so I said, let's start cooking our food. It's just concoction rice, nothing extra, nothing much, just simple concoction rice that we'll eat for the afternoon. Hi there, welcome to Affordable Kitchen. If you are new here, my name is Savannah Precious. Thanks for joining. And welcome to my kitchen. Here we do cooking tutorials, cooking vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, and what have you, everything lifestyle. So welcome and thanks for watching today's video. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for your love and concern. I do really appreciate and I love you guys a lot. Thank you for watching. So on this day, while I was trying to prepare this meal, I was busy struggling on the position to drop my tripod so I can video. Mind you, my kitchen is really small. My kitchen is really small, so sometimes I find it very difficult to place my tripod. Or would I say it's just me not knowing how to do it right? Yeah, I guess so. Because if you've been watching Affordable Kitchen, you will know that I've been doing all my editing myself and I haven't had any editing training before. I just had to watch some videos online and started to create my own videos and edit them. So I just do my thing my way and anyhow I know how to do it and just try to make it nice and post it here on YouTube. Learning how to do filming and video editing is really, really very important, especially if if you want to become a YouTuber or a digital creator, a YouTuber or a creator. Yes, because for something that people do, me trying to place my tripod and video was giving me this whole stress, and I knew it was because I had not had any training. So I came across this lady on YouTube that was advertising a class for beginners. That is people who are just starting and don't have any clue at all about editing and filming. I decided to join her class because it was really cheap and affordable. And that was after I've filmed this particular video. So I just joined the class and I learned a lot from her because for someone who is trying to become a creator, I think learning how to do video editing is very vital. If you watch my last video I posted, that one I edited it. I think it was even more easier for me to edit and the editing was better. My editing work there was better because I enrolled for that class, for the editing class. It was really, really cheap, just 3,000 naira. I went for the class and she taught us the basic things, just the basics of editing. And with the little knowledge I gained from there, it helped me to edit my last video that I posted very well. If you haven't watched it, go over to my channel and watch this video right here. The part for this story is, while I was editing this particular video, I was seeing how I just videoed one particular section, one side of it, and I did not video my movement, how it was, maybe even when I was standing to cook. And I remembered how she the basics on how to film that she taught us in that class, on how to place your camera on angles to video. And now I realized that it was so helpful, very, very helpful. So for anyone who is trying to become a creator, if you have any little money and you see any person doing classes that is genuine, that you know you can learn with, you should just try and learn because it will help your editing skills very, very well. That's all, guys. I just had to do my thing. I had to wash my dishes. I had already finished prepping the meal. So I had to do the dishes at once because one thing with me is after cooking, I hate to drop the dirty plates or dirty things I use just like that. I like washing immediately after cooking so that at the end of the day everything will be nice and clean and well kept. So that was it, guys. If you are just seeing my vlog for the first time, welcome to Affordable Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. At this point, we're almost done what we have to do for today. And I was thinking of going to make my hair as well. But I don't know, it has been drizzling all morning. Things have just been piling up. I don't know if I'll still be able to go and make the hair. I decided to check on the food and it was cooking. There was still water in it. So I had to taste to make sure everything was okay in the food before I go ahead and wait for it to dry up water. Anyways, I'll still let you guys know if I see when to make my hair or not. And that is it, guys. We just had a little more things to do and check on. So I had to put some water so that I could take my bath because it's cold and I can't use cold water to bath. So I had to warm some water. So I'll use it to bath. And this was it. Our food is ready. Come and eat, guys. You guys should join me. Our concoction rice was well cooked. Well cooked. Everything is okay. So it's just time to eat. See you guys on my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. And don't forget to comment. Drop an amazing comment below. And I would love to hear from you. How you all doing? Thank you for joining. See you on my next video. This food was giving every vibe you're supposed to give for concoction rice. Do you get? Yeah. So see you on my next video. Bye. See you. Baby girl was enjoying this food and I was even dancing because the taste was tasting. Bye.